Yo, what it do, world? Mr. M here. It is June 16th. I believe it is Wednesday, 2021. And let's go over this gold breakdown. Now, we had FOMC this afternoon at 2 p.m. It is now market close, 5:42 p.m. on my side of the border. I'm in Florida, United States. Anyway, we had a crazy sell off. This is today's candle. I decided to stay out of the market, even though my bias was bearish. I mean, the signs were bearish. We've been selling off since that impulse last week. And if you watched my update video off the weekly, we saw that we would, or not even saw, I said that we would potentially have this wick fill off the weekly time frame down into 1853. If you look on the daily time frame, we inched down. Monday we tapped it. Tuesday we kind of visited that 1853. We started breaking below it, and we showed that orders were down there, and the volume just came once the Fed decision rate came in. We had a massive plummet. Let's go on intraday. On the intraday perspective, this is the 30-minute. We broke right out of this channel to the top into this level of supply around 1860. I decided to stay out of the market, even though once we did get this sell off, this was obviously the initial news candle. Absolutely insane. I mean, we just ripped through these levels. From a 5 minute perspective, there were entries that could have been had, but I just didn't want to mess with it. Also, this 30-minute candle with this type of volume on gold, you can pretty much bet on these type of candles with gold. I mean, when it trends, and that's one thing I do like about it. When there is an impulsive move, even on a higher time frame candle, you can get in and get your pips. Because if I would have entered here, I would have had more than the 2-to-1 risk reward, but I would have hit my 2-to-1 risk reward and be outie for the day. But I actually enjoyed sitting on the sidelines and watching this thing play out. So we have a definitive direction. As you can see, over the last few hours, or not even a few hours, a few days, we kind of just been dancing in that level, in that zone. We've been consolidating. Let's go back over to the 4 hour. We've just been consolidating in this region off the 4 hour. And I mean, obviously, the bears were there and the bears took over. Once we came back in there, we had that liquidity and boom, right down. So it'll be interesting to see how gold finishes the week. We could get a pullback on this candle where we can close back above 1819. From a weekly's perspective, we still have Thursday and Friday to finish off. I mean, this is a massive candle, even with gold too. I mean, this is such volume that this still thing could still fall back even further past 1800, back into the 1770s, which would be crazy. But at the same time, you can't go against these candles. I mean, when things sell, things sell. I mean, you haven't had a candle with this much volume since the last sell-off. Things gradually go up and things sell fast. So it'll be interesting to see. That was my gold update. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join the free Discord, and the course will be back up again in, I don't know when, but soon enough. Stay tuned. Peace.